Have you ever found yourself buried under a mountain of tasks, drowning in the day-to-day of running your business, and secretly wishing for an extra pair of hands, or maybe even a few more hours in the day? Trust me, I get it. We've all been there, but fear not, because today we're going to be unraveling the secrets to not just surviving, but thriving in your entrepreneurial journey. We're talking about outsourcing and delegation, the dynamic duo that can transform your business, supercharge your brand, and yes, bring that elusive work-life balance into focus. If we've caught up at all recently, you'll know that I have been shouting from the mountaintops the benefits of having a team to help you not only stay in your genius zone, but to move forward much faster than if you were alone. In this particular video, we'll uncover the strategies behind how to use your unicorn team to outsource and delegate so that you can achieve the true work-life balance while at the same time scaling your business. Keep on watching. Hi, I'm Jennifer Kem. You can call me Jen. I'm the founder of the Master Brand Institute, and here we guide founders, experts, thought leaders, and entrepreneurs to build a wildly profitable personal brand from the inside out through the power of team, identity, messaging, and experiences. I upload a new video every Friday, so be sure to hit that subscribe button below, then click the bell icon so that you're notified when new content is available. Now, let's get into today's video. All right, let's talk about why outsourcing is a game changer for your business. Outsourcing allows you to tap into specialized expertise, saving you time and headaches. It's like having your own dream team that helps you focus on what you do best. Most CEOs know this, but few have truly mastered their personal support system to help alleviate the feeling and the friction of getting caught up in these seemingly never-ending issues or miscommunications that arise in our businesses. Let me give you a few examples of what I don't do. I don't manage my own calendar. I am not responsible for emails in my own inbox. I do not prepare any of the CMO, CFO, or COO reports within the company. And I do not create the majority of my own marketing assets. Does that mean those aspects of my business are disconnected from me? Absolutely not. It means that I have trusted people and vetted systems in place to execute on my vision. As entrepreneurs, we know we need to outsource, but most people focus on outsourcing the things that you hate. While it's incredibly important to elevate your energy and focus on what's important, I believe it's short-sighted to only tackle what you hate. It's later on when you begin to outsource the tasks you're even good at, maybe even great at, that truly free you up to focus on the bigger picture. By delegating these tasks, you free up your time to focus on what you do best, strategizing and growing your business. This newfound energy is your secret weapon, allowing you to focus on high-impact activities that drive growth and innovation. Now that we understand the power of outsourcing, let's talk about how to do it effectively for your business. The process might seem daunting, but with the right strategic approach, you can build a dream team that propels your brand forward. First, you want to define your needs. You might be thinking to yourself, but how do you decide what to outsource? It's a common question, and I've got you covered. What we always recommend is that you start with tasks that help you stay organized and on track. Many entrepreneurial consultants would tell you to hire to solve any gaps or weaknesses within your company, but we disagree. We've found that entrepreneurs get disappointed and disheartened the majority of time when they hire too big, too soon. As the brains and vision of your company, we recommend that you hire out any tasks that you've already mastered, but that weigh you down, giving you the time and the space to focus on solving the next big Rubik's Cube in your business. We start with what drains your energy the most, whether that's your own personal admin stuff, project management, reporting, or any of those things. There are likely tasks that you have on your to-do list today that are causing you to be less effective at whatever it is that you truly need to get done. Next piece is research and communicate. Now that you know what to outsource, the next step is finding the right talent. Take your time to research and find skilled professionals. Things to look out for are proper credentials, reliability, experience, and a portfolio that aligns with your business needs and values. Remember, outsourcing is an investment in your business's success. You want to communicate clearly, set expectations, and provide the necessary resources for your team to succeed. Regular check-ins and feedback loops ensure everyone is on the same page. Next, start small, evaluate, and adjust. Begin with a trial project and let it run its course. Make sure to evaluate performance regularly and be open to adjusting your approach based on evolving business needs. Now, let's get into delegation. Delegation is not just for CEOs of big corporations. It's a game changer for entrepreneurs too. And it's about entrusting tasks to your team, empowering them to contribute to the success of the business. As women entrepreneurs like me, mastering the art of delegation is key to achieving that elusive work-life balance we're all seeking. Here are some tips on effective delegation. First, make sure you have a regular appointment that prompts you to identify and delegate whichever new sets of tasks you'd like to remove from your plate. My team does this by defining quarterly KPIs. That stands for Key Performance Indicators, where they assess their tasks, report on how well their tasks support the desired outcomes of their role, and then either reassign or delegate any tasks that have accumulated outside of their job description and/or the desired scope. Second, communicate clearly. Ensure your team understands the expectations and timelines. If your team is unclear on your vision for what each project needs to look like for it to be done to your standards, then you'll both be set up to fail. This means that if they come to you with clarifying questions, celebrate it. It means that they are working to understand your vision so that they can come to you with a stellar first draft of the project. And finally, trust your team. Empower them to take ownership and contribute their skills to the best of their ability. Understand that they are inevitably going to make mistakes as they learn your preferences and vision, but that is a good thing. Each mistake is an opportunity for you both to better understand each other and for your team to be able to more accurately execute on your vision in the future. The more that you normalize the learning process, the safer they will be to come to you with ideas and insights and feedback, all which strengthen a team to communicate more effectively, produce projects faster, and operate with more innovation. So there you have it. Outsourcing and delegation are your keys to scaling your business, boosting your brand, and achieving the work-life balance I know that you deserve. Throughout my entrepreneurial journey, I've seen incredible success stories of women who've embraced outsourcing and delegation. They not only scaled their businesses, but they also gained more control over their time, leading to a better work-life balance. And I truly believe you can also achieve this too, friend. Well, that's a wrap on today's video. Remember, this YouTube channel is all about helping entrepreneurs and CEOs understand how to easily transform their team into what I call a unicorn team. If you want to better understand the overarching idea of building a unicorn team, check out this video here. And if you found value in this content, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button below so we can get this video in front of more CEOs like you who need help growing their unicorn team. Be sure to also hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you're notified when new content is released. I'm Jen Kem, here to help you get the right messaging and team support to build the wealth, power, and leadership you're meant to bring to the world. Until next time.